Ever wonder why your sourdough lacks that perfect rise and crust? The culprit might be your Dutch oven. Today, we're revealing the top 5 Dutch ovens that will transform your baking game. Stick around, and if you find your perfect match, grab it through the links in the description below. At number 5 is Merten and Storck 5.3 quart. Did you know that a Dutch oven can be 30% lighter than traditional cast iron without sacrificing performance? Enter the Merten and Storck 5.3 quart Dutch oven, a game changer for sourdough enthusiasts. Crafted from German enameled iron, it heats faster and more evenly than cast iron, ensuring consistent baking results. The glaze-guard enamel coating is fused directly into the base, making it more chip-resistant and easier to clean. Its recessed lid design prevents boilovers and provides extra cooking room. With a 5.3 quart capacity, it's ideal for baking sourdough loaves, offering the perfect balance between size and maneuverability. Priced at $129.99, it's a smart investment for both novice and seasoned bakers. Compared to other top contenders, this Dutch oven offers premium features at a competitive price point. If you're seeking a reliable, efficient, and stylish tool for your sourdough baking, this Dutch oven is a worthy choice. At number 4 is Overmont 5 quart pot. Looking for a Dutch oven that delivers exceptional performance without breaking the bank? The Overmont 5 quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven is a standout choice. Priced at just $49.99, it offers impressive heat retention and even heat distribution, making it ideal for baking sourdough bread, simmering stews, or roasting meats. Crafted with a durable 3-layer enamel coating, this Dutch oven resists chipping and cracking, ensuring long-term reliability. Its self-basting lid with interior condensation dots promotes even moisture distribution, keeping your dishes moist and flavorful. The widened handles and heat-resistant stainless steel knob provide a secure grip, enhancing safety and comfort during use. Compared to other top contenders, the Overmont Dutch oven offers premium features at an affordable price point. If you're seeking a reliable and budget-friendly option for your kitchen, this Dutch oven is a smart choice. On number 3 is MUELLERHOME 6 quart pot. Looking to elevate your sourdough game without splurging on premium brands? The MUELLERHOME 6 quart Dutch oven might be your perfect match. Priced at $59.99, it offers exceptional value for those seeking top-tier performance on a budget. Crafted from heavy-duty enameled cast iron, this pot ensures even heat distribution and superior heat retention, crucial for achieving that perfect sourdough crust. Its tight-fitting lid, featuring raised nodes, promotes self-basting, keeping your bread moist and flavorful. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, and oven-safe up to 500 Fahrenheit, it's versatile enough for various cooking techniques. Compared to other top contenders, the MUELLERHOME stands out for its combination of affordability and performance. Its sleek design, available in multiple colors, adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. For those seeking a reliable, budget-friendly option for baking sourdough bread, the MUELLERHOME 6 quart Dutch oven is a smart choice. At number 2 is Kana Lifestyle Mila. Ever wondered if a Dutch oven could be both a kitchen powerhouse and a statement piece? The Kana Lifestyle Mila 5.5 quart Dutch oven effortlessly combines performance with style. Priced at $145, it offers exceptional value for those seeking top-tier performance on a budget. Crafted from 40% recycled cast iron, this enameled Dutch oven ensures even heat distribution and superior heat retention, crucial for achieving that perfect sourdough crust. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, and oven-safe up to 500 Fahrenheit, it's versatile enough for various cooking techniques. Compared to other top contenders, the Kana Lifestyle Mila stands out for its combination of affordability and performance. Its sleek design, available in multiple colors, adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. For those seeking a reliable, budget-friendly option for baking sourdough bread, the Kana Lifestyle Mila 5.5 quart Dutch oven is a smart choice. Now moving to the last one is Best Choice Products 6 quart. Looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable option among the top 5 best-sized Dutch ovens for sourdough bread? The Best Choice Products 6 quart Dutch oven might be your answer. Priced at approximately $55, it's an affordable alternative to premium brands like Le Creuset and Staub. This Dutch oven boasts a heavy-duty cast iron construction with a glossy enamel finish, ensuring durability and easy maintenance. Its 6-quart capacity is ideal for baking artisanal loaves, providing ample space for dough expansion. The oven is stovetop and oven safe up to 480 Fahrenheit, offering versatility for various cooking methods. While it may not have the prestige of high-end brands, the Best Choice Products Dutch oven delivers consistent heat retention and moisture sealing, essential for achieving that perfect sourdough crust. If you're seeking quality without breaking the bank, this Dutch oven is a solid choice. Among the top contenders, the Merten and Storck 5.3-quart Dutch oven stands out. Crafted from German enameled iron, it offers superior heat distribution and is 30% lighter than traditional cast iron, making it ideal for sourdough bread baking. Its chip-resistant glaze ensures durability, while the 5.3-quart capacity is perfect for home bakers. Priced at $129.99, it combines performance with elegance. If you're seeking a blend of functionality and style, this Dutch oven is a smart choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best size Dutch oven for sourdough bread. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.